Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let's see what's coming up, Virgos, for your daily energies, guys. We'll be picking few cards for your career situation and love energy. We'll be picking one card each from the other deck, guys. So we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So this is for your career situation, Virgos, and this is for your relationship. So we will see what are these cards for your daily energies. Queen of Wands in reverse, it's 8 of Cups in reverse, and 10 of Wands. I hope you can see the cards here clearly, guys. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that you are making great efforts, guys. You are shouldering great responsibilities today. That burdens is right on your shoulders. So it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, and you are holding an important position in your work or in your life, maybe personal life with your people in your family. You are an important person, you are a person of authority. Maybe you are making some decisions, you are a person who makes certain important decisions in your family. So you hold an important place. That is what I see here. And also, guys, you are celebrating something, maybe some success in something, guys. Maybe it may relate to your personal life or in your work, maybe some projects or something, some kind of new beginning, or it may be something in your personal life, some kind of celebration. Maybe you are getting engaged, getting married, guys. Some happiness you are celebrating. You are enjoying with friends, going to a party, something like that, guys. That is what is the energy here. And also, for some of you, you may have certain opportunities. You may be getting some offers in your work or in your personal life, but due to some reason you may not be able to take up those offers, work on those offers or opportunities. Maybe it may be your decision, or it may be something blocking you from taking that career options or offers that are coming towards you, guys. So again, this again may relate to your personal life or your career. Maybe in your personal life this person wants a commitment with you, but maybe for some reason, maybe you have many responsibilities. So you may want to take time, complete those responsibilities. So you are taking time, guys. So you are waiting, or you want to wait for things to settle down. So you are taking that time to think and decide about the next step, what you want to take. So that is also what I see here. Or maybe this proposal itself is the reason for this happiness, some kind of celebration you are having today. So let us see what are these cards. So first, for your career situation, Treasure Island, a very positive card here, guys. So for your career situation, things are luck is aligning with your efforts, guys. That is what this card is about. Whatever dreams you are having in your career, whatever aspirations you are having for yourself, you are simply going to reach all that. That is what this card is about. And this is the time you will be able to enjoy your success, and you will be able to share it with the people you love, your family, friends, or this person. You are so you are feeling that confidence and courage in your heart, that determination. Today guys, things are going in a very positive way. That is what this card is about. Maybe you may be seeing some beginning of some creative projects, or something which boosts your inspiration. And also you will be helping others, you will be helping people who are there in your life, sharing your success or wealth, or you are being generous. That is what this card is about, guys. So whenever this card appears, it just means that you are extremely lucky, guys. You are going to be extremely lucky, Virgos. That is what this card's energy is about, guys. So let us see what is the other card for your relationship, Virgos. Observer. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your relationship, for some of you guys, you need to see things from a different perspective. That is what this card is about. Maybe in your relationship, you see things through your personal lens. So you have certain attachments, certain feelings, and you see that experience through your own eyes, or through your past, whatever it is. So it will your actions or your reactions will be based on that. So you need to in order to change that, you need to see that from different perspective. When you do that, when you let go of your past, whatever past experiences you had, or past hurts, or your preconceived notions, whatever it is. So when you do that, when you give up all that, that is clouding your view, you will understand the situation, guys. So you need to view this situation from a different perspective, as a third person. When you do that, you will see the goodness in that relationship, the flaws in that relationship, and what you need to do, what is your solution. So you have to go for that. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.